You know what you suck the pussy make you mad. What that? Bruh, Mr. Pedophile, you shouldn't brag. What that?
Who am I talk? I don't know. I don't want to come call no name. You know, see me on the mix-up page already. What that? Who am I talk? If everybody else say, yo, you don't know, say, yo, I never back, you know, you know, you touching someone grape area and te. That. Who am I talk? You could talk about cargo, you could talk about foot. Who am I talk? This is some white tune.
Cargo is really shit in our bag.
Shut up! I like when name call that song.
Reaction.
Lord Evil. Tell them come out with a broad eagle. Yo. What's the word YouTube? It's about TyrekeReacts, aka the reaction boss. I'm back in effect with another reaction for you guys. Now we have a song from Shawn Star. This song is called Mr. Cap-Alot. You see me I say? We'll get straight into it right now. You see me? We don't know what I go on. I don't know nothing. It's a couple hours ago. We see they're going to premiere at 12 o'clock today, but you get busy. We are doing reaction for now right now. So like this video. You see me I say? I'm there for lucky. What I go on at the email? That's not important. Hey, we see what I go on to. Shawn Star, Mr. Cap-Alot, talk to them. People, we know a lot of controversy are going right now in the scene, in the music scene. And at that time there, you know, when that go on, you know, so the dancehall nice again, more music drop, people get more views from them videos. We the creators and also the artists themselves get more traction. Is it me I say? So I'm not going to see what go on. Mr. Cap-Alot. We might call him Mr. Cap-Alot. Who this popcorn? Who this Shawn Star? We know see the people go off time. We know see everybody go off time. We know see Cargo go off time. Who else? I think me say Food Type go off time. Who else? I don't know. Make us the tune and see who matter. No. Right tune.
But when you see me, where you go do? Careful. In my dream. Must. No boy can't.
Who said that when them see me I go do something to him? Who said that? Me wanna wish me them I go something to one back class silver. Who said I go this silver? Who said I go this silver? Go on.
Box me. You don't know that. Be my driver. You don't know that.
Yeah.
I do Mr. Cap-Alot.
You don't know that.
Mine get a job at Kappa shop. You don't know that. See the
I'm to Mr. Cap-Alot. Who say I got box? Must say you don't know that. You know that. Go all that talk I say my dad.
That's with the panta for that. Them pretty girl, she suck my cacalat. Designer shoes when me stop a shop. Them the foreigner make a bag of chat.
Well, who for pretty girls like cacalat? Who the foreigner make a bag of chat? Who they foreign? Who people? Who? Oh. Mr. Ike, man. Alright, there we go to some white Shawn. Tell a picture. Ready?
Hey, but you go suck your mother back. You know what you suck the pussy make you mad. What that? Bruh, Mr. Pedophile, you shouldn't brag. What that?
Who am I talk? I don't know. I don't want to come call no name. You know, see me on the mix-up page already. What that? Who am I talk? If everybody else say, yo, you don't know, say, yo, I never back, you know, you know, you touching someone grape area and te. That. Who am I talk? You could talk about cargo, you could talk about foot. Who am I talk? This is some white tune.
Cargo is really shit in our bag.
Shut up! I like when name call that song.
Bruh, Mr. Pedophile, you shouldn't brag. What that? Cargo is really shit in our bag. What that? Nigga things when you want to with your mouth, feel like a...
No, stop it. You have to stop it in a Shawn Star, you to bumble clip by now. When you raise the Shawn Star, I'm like, worse on them, or him, you know, him this on them. Have a little, you know, different style to it. Him not give it little, how we can compare it to? You know, I'm a modern day dancer, I'm a modern day song, give it the old school vibes, look at the same way. But you know, we're not talking about that. Run tune. I say, can't go shit in a bag.
Me hear him lax in a pussy a jump, feel like a cloud. Get dump out your grills in a crowd, feel like a cloud. And a batty that one, they alley cold, feel like a cloud. Style.
Just feel like a cloud, that's so much things you know, though. Your lax are drowned in a... Hey. Yes, so what?
Grills in a crowd, feel like a cloud. And a batty that one, they alley cold, feel like a cloud. Style. Pussy you can't style me.
Yeah.
Me never suck a pussy yet. Can't style me.
Never.
Never fuck a body yet.
Can't style me. Can't style him. And the man can't. Hey. No, voila, people. What you thoughts on that song, people? Drop it down below. Just one fair emoji if you think the song bad right now. But what? You can't style me. Because it's some more.
Only thing them some fuck up so you can't style me. About 7 hit song in a dancehall, right? Remember good number 5 on the iTunes chart.
Hey, make them know. Make them know say one safer than one zombie. You see me, I say big song like Loyalty. This song come out much years ago. And come back out on the hit song again when the dog get released. Make them know, talk your talk.
Good enough, no song big like my life. Remember good enough.
This is just a reminder.
World boss, get the visa.
Yeah.
Them never want the G leave ya.
Them a hate. Them mad say world boss get the visa. Talk your talk. Hey. And one thing, you know, you see, teacher don't go answer, everybody know go answer them. See if I done. Talk it up!
World boss, get the visa. Them never want the G leave ya. Them a much we get the beamer. What for Caesar?
Hey, me see some talk I go on about that being my thing though, they get to know that. I mean, I know what to say about that part there though. You see me, I say, but as I say, we're not a mix-up channel over here. So you see me, I say, sorry, I come here with our vibes. I say, if two name call, name get called. But see some talks I go on about it. You know the beam and thing at the moment.
That give to Caesar. Copy rhythm. Gaza indomitable. Unstoppable, we unflappable. Straight vibes can't dash with it unmappable.
And the dark ass so short on straight vibes drop me bumbo class. See you hold on them man. Are you right? That's like ya bad no blood clot. Are you right? That's like ya? Me rotted.
Indomitable, unstoppable, we unflappable. Straight vibes can't dash with it unmappable. We like the code pussy, it uncrackable. When we take what
You know what this sound like some of the so you know when Carter look at Instagram video them with anybody we meet, is me I say I take gas in a rape, you know somebody there with XYZ and share this YZ and me the boss and this a pre. And them type of rhyme they are going to that singer right now. You see me I say I see my son unmappable, unstoppable and crackable. You see me? Yes, I saw Carter talking them little style when we meet up with people. You see me? I say, look, they call it lyrics or rhymes. What you call it? Let me know double in the comment section, but I see them talk. Go on still.
where your gal and cut, we're untrackable. It's not hackable, shackable, it knackable. Him can't chew binocular pre, me say be snackable. But me
Oh yeah, rhyme so. I went to say rhyme so dog. Book, listen to man.
move, it's not hackable, shackable, it knackable. Him
Yeah.
can't chew binocular pre, me say be snackable. But me kid
I want him start rhyme so. No. When? Where? Which part? Shit it up man, come down. Mama Claire!
Nappable, bitch, I am nattable. Married to my money and gun, we compatible. 100 rounds in the drum, ready for tackle you. I know sound I select, when me select.
That's why married to him money and him gun. Him a notable. What? 100 rounds at the drum. Hold on.
100 rounds in the drum, ready for tackle you. I know
100 rounds in the drum ready for tackle you. I know what? What you say now? I know what?
sound I select, when me select. Better shut your fucking mouth or live with regrets. The best, for do it, Gaza, no pussy test. This is a precursor.
Yes! Listen.
Mouth or live with regrets. The best, for do it, Gaza, no pussy test. This is a
Listen again.
better shut your fucking mouth or live with regrets. The best, for do it, Gaza, no pussy test. This is a
What? Bad. Say me a badness in the comment section. Say me a badness. Oh my God. Fish up tune.
precursor. Just look for the next. More lyrics than melodies. Better finesse. Bourbon, tappy rhythm now.
Yo, pass the light to the X. That's a wrap.
I think we're gonna say some more. Jado people. You done? Yeah, what like that. What are your thoughts? Wanna thoughts on the song, people? Wanna thoughts on the song? Talk to me now. Wanna thoughts on the song, people? Me not gonna lie. Never expect this from Shawn Storm. And in my flow, he might go on with himself. I'm gonna drop that video phone right now. I think I'm gonna talk too long, so I'm gonna soon. When the video drop, I soon another one. Right now. What is that number? Alright, my God.